Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn off track changes in Microsoft Word so your edits stop being recorded. So let's get started. Firstly, go to search bar. Here you will type Word, tap to open it, click on the document or new document. Now you will see review tab. Click on the review tab. Now find tracking. Here it is. Click on it. Then click on track changes. Now it will be turn on. You will see reviewing is highlighted. If you want to turn it off, again simply click on tracking, then click on track changes. It will be turn it off. If you also want to remove the existing tracked edits, here's what to do. Stay in the review tab, go to the changes section. Here you will see, click on accept or reject. You can accept or reject changes one by one, or click the drop down arrow, choose accept all changes to clear everything at once. And that's it. You have successfully turned off track changes in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick word tips. Thanks for watching.